I don't know if you could see this, guys, but there's a bird attacking a baby squirrel, and I don't know why. I don't understand it. Why would a bird want to attack a baby squirrel? Like, the squirrel's too big to feed its babies and shit. I don't know. I don't think you can see it. I don't know if I could zoom in enough. It's kind of crazy though to me. It's kind of hard to see the squirrel too right now. There he is. And there's the bird trying to get him. I don't get it. It's weird. It's nature, I guess, though. But I'd like for the bird to go away. That baby squirrel. It was funny because I didn't get it on camera, but before the bird hit him and he fell. He fell like right next to me. Oh my God. Like he keeps trying to just attacking him. It's like a blue jay or something. What the hell? He's hiding. I don't think he could get any direct attacks on him now. Oh, what the fuck? Get away, squirrel, get away. Hide where the bird can't get you. If you go into this tree over here, he won't be able to get you. Oh, that's just messed up, man. I've never seen that before. I mean, maybe like a hawk or something, but you know, at least a little blue jay trying to kill a fucking squirrel? That's pretty messed up. I gotta stop taping this. I don't know.